What are you, darling? Where's your costume?
This is my costume. I'm a homicidal maniac. They look just like everyone.
She's scaring me! Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Lauren, Ellekae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy, semi-glam Wednesday Addams makeup tutorial. This really is the easiest Halloween costume. All it takes is her signature pale skin, twin braids, and look of disdain. I've already primed my face and done my brows. I made them a bit darker and straighter than usual to complement Wednesday's dark features and darker personality. I'm going in with a foundation that's a little lighter than my normal skin tone to achieve her ghostly pale look. I'm also using a full coverage concealer for flawless skin and setting all of that heavily with some white powder. For my eyes, I'm alternating two taupey shades to define my crease and create a bit of a smoky eye. I'm just going to build that up and blend as I go, making sure to smoke out the bottom as well. I'm also taking a matte nude just at the bottom of my eyelid to make the eyes really pop. All of these colors are matte, by the way. Wednesday Addams doesn't look like a shimmer type of girl. She also doesn't look like she would wear a winged liner, but remember, this is a glam Wednesday, okay? Now I'm going in with the same taupe shadows to hollow out my eyes, just tracing along where my eye socket and under eye circles are, and then blending out. I'm going to do a pretty heavy contour because I want to show dramatically sunken in cheeks, also dragging it down to the chin for a really hollowed out effect. I'm using a taupe contour shade as well. Gray and taupe, colors without a lot of warmth. You don't want any warmth on the face for this look. No blush, bronzer, or highlight, no life, just pale skin and very sunken in dramatic features. To finish off the eyes, I'm tight lining with a black kohl liner and then going in with some big strip lashes. And for the ultimate touch of gothic glam, metallic black lipstick by COVERGIRL. I'm adding some white powder to the lips between lipstick layers just to make sure it doesn't bleed, and cleaning up the edges with some concealer and a flat brush. Some last minute mascara and we're almost ready to go. Wednesday's signature middle part and long black side braids finish off the look and bring us to the end of this super simple Halloween tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween!
I'll be the victim.
All your life.